Hello to my friends in hospitality and visitor services. My name is comedian Allison Moore. You gonna wait until I start this video?
I'm a ninja.
So right before Coronacation 2020, I was going to present the customer service training for this year. Well, don't worry, I'm still going to present it. It's customer service plus more laughing equals happy returning customers. However, we're just going to have to wait just a little bit for our date and location to be announced. But please, please, please keep eyes and ears open, because as soon as we're able to, I will be back. I mean, seriously, as soon as we are able to, I will be back. Y'all gotta help me. I am in the house with ninjas, y'all. Stay healthy, and remember, as much as you can, get you some more laughing. I'm comedian Allison Moore. First of all, how'd you get on that side?
Because I'm a ninja.
Get on my video.